Hello everyone, welcome another video on BilzTech. Today we have got something really interesting to line up, so stick around. Now, first thing first, press Window plus I to open a setting menu. Now if you see on the left side, you will find accounts. Go to the accounts. Now scroll down and here you will see other users. Now click on other users and now here if you see, this is the account which we have created on the previous video, and drop down and now if you see here, there's a two options, account option and account and data. Now we have to go for the delete the account, so remove account, click on the remove button. So now this is a confirmation dialog box, delete account and data. Now just hit delete account and data. That's it for today. Let me know what you think below and I will catch you in the next video. Take care. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more. See you in the very next one.